This did not go at all how I thought it was gonna go. It's so wet. Can you floss? Oh, this is kind of cool. In today's POV, I'll be shooting photos and videos on my Nikon Z50 with the 35mm 1.8 S lens. Taking a break from the street style content, today I'm out in the woods capturing more of a lifestyle shoot with my friend Chris and Nico. The weather on this day is going to put my camera and jacket to the ultimate test, so stick around for those conditions. That's what I'm saying. Do they like compile all the photos to like make one? How do they make a photo? How does AI make a photo? All right, let's go. All right, what are you gonna have to do is get out on that rock.
You got it. You got it, boss.
Yeah. All right. I guess I don't need eyes, so I need 100. I'm just gonna go. I'll fall in the river. Okay. Let's keep going. All right.
To have like tape over it.
Okay.
I'm your viewership.
Yeah? Yeah, show me your phone. Are you subscribed? Yeah, you're like,
I don't have cell service. Sorry. Oh, sorry.
My phone died. So. Swampy.
Like here too, it's like super wide. Do we want to shoot now, or do we want to go shoot down there?
I think let's go all the way to the end.
And then work our way back?
Yeah. It's gotta be like
9:46.
I'm gonna say 10, but
Yeah, we made pretty good progress.
All right. We here, baby. Ah. Ooh.
We're raging now. I haven't seen it that fast.
All right, who's getting in the picture first?
Yeah, no shit. Who's going out on that log? Where's your red dress?
How do I want to do this? I don't know. I just want to get a few shots and then...
Yeah.
I don't know if it's too wet for the drone. It'll just get soaked.
Yeah.
My hands are soaked. Woo! Right. Let's go back here. This is the wettest I've been in quite some time. Woo.
Very moist.
And just to be clear, you're saying you're so soaked, not stoked.
I'm stoked and I'm soaked.
All right, should we go back?
Yeah, let's go. Let's get out of this cold. Strap on, boys. Let's just run back.
We're
take pictures of.
Still further. I don't know where you're shooting. I'm just gonna get right beside you. I feel like our brains have like melted into a puddle. Maybe you put the camera up to your face like you're gonna take one.
All right, let's keep walking. Oh shit. Go next time. Man, you know what's funny though? We were talking the other day.
He's trying to evade us.
Yeah. He's running for it. You know, we like look that way and start walking a little bit. Did you get a lot of shots?
I'm just spraying and praying, dude.
Spraying and praying, yeah. But,
I think the lens is soaked again. And we're done. 0.0, baby. Precious cargo.
Yep, precious cargo.
Thank you. Alright, see y'all on the next one. I'm happy to say that after 4.5 hours of moderate rain, the Z50 is still alive and very much kicking, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future adventures with this camera.